Join me as I put Xiaomi's most powerful 15 Ultra smartphone to the ultimate test and see if it really lives up to the hype. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the latest flagship smartphone from the Chinese tech giant, positioned to take on the best of the best in the market. With its sleek design, powerful specs, and innovative features, it's clear that Xiaomi is gunning for the top spot. But what really sets this device apart from its competitors? We've all been there. Our smartphones are supposed to be our trusty sidekicks, but more often than not, they let us down. Whether it's a battery that can't last a full day, a camera that can't capture life's precious moments, or a processor that slows down after a few months, it's frustrating when our devices can't keep up with our fast-paced lives. The struggle is real, folks, and it's time for a change. Battery life is a major concern for most of us. We're always on the lookout for a phone that can last at least a day. But the truth is, most devices can't even make it past lunchtime without needing a recharge. And don't even get me started on camera quality. We want to capture life's special moments, but low-light photography is still a major issue for many smartphones. And let's not forget about performance. We need our devices to be fast, responsive, and able to handle demanding tasks with ease. These are just a few of the challenges we face with our smartphones. But what if I told you there's a device that addresses all these issues and more? A device that's powerful, efficient, and designed to make our lives easier. Well, that device is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and it's here to shake things up. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts an impressive camera system, with a quad camera setup that includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. This camera system is designed to capture stunning images in any lighting condition, and with features like optical zoom, portrait mode, and super slow-mo video recording, it's clear that Xiaomi is serious about photography, but the camera is just the tip of the iceberg. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which provides lightning-fast performance and efficient battery life. And speaking of battery life, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has a massive 5,000 mAh battery that's designed to last at least 2 days on a single charge. This device is a powerhouse, folks, and it's clear that Xiaomi has pulled out all the stops to make it happen. The design of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is equally impressive, with a sleek and durable body that's designed to withstand the rigors of daily life. The device features a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display that's perfect for watching videos, browsing the web, or simply enjoying your favorite apps. And with IP68, water and dust resistance, you can take the Xiaomi 15 Ultra anywhere without worrying about it getting damaged. But what really sets the Xiaomi 15 Ultra apart from other smartphones is its innovative camera system. The device features a unique periscope lens that allows for 5 times optical zoom. And with advanced features like AI-powered image stabilization, you can capture stunning images even in low-light conditions. This is a game changer, folks, and it's clear that Xiaomi has pushed the boundaries of what's possible with smartphone photography. So there you have it, folks. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a powerhouse of a device that's designed to take on the best of the best. With its impressive camera system, powerful processor, stunning design, and innovative features, it's clear that this device is a cut above the rest. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is truly a remarkable device, and it's clear that it's the most powerful smartphone ever created by Xiaomi. If you're in the market for a new device that can keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, look no further than the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. What do you think? Is this the best flagship of the year? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to check out the latest pricing and deals, all the links are in the description.